Hello and welcome to Farm Space AGRITECHNICA 2023. First thing, go and download the Farm Space app just now, not to miss any of our videos that we're doing here. If you've got a beetle on your potato, this thing will slap it off. Watch here, it's awesome. Robin, how are you doing?
I'm doing great, thank you.
Oh, awesome. So I'm walking past here, I see the TV at the back, and I'm going like, what is this machine doing there? So explain to me quickly what's happening.
So this is a Colarado Beetle Catcher.
Yes.
Colarado Beetle is a huge problem.
Colorado Beetle, that's basically, let me just show you here.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like.
And it's eating a huge amount of potato crop.
Okay.
And so the plant gets heavily damaged and cannot really produce the potato that you want to have on your dish.
So this thing is basically a alternative to chemical pesticides and those types of things.
Yeah.
So it reduces the pressure of the Colorado beetle on your crop.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Explain to me quickly, because it's it's slapping the potatoes there all over. How does it work?
It's like one rotor in the front is slapping it on the left, and then the rotor on the back is slapping to the other side. So the plant gets two slaps, one from the left, one from the right.
So it gets slapped this side and slapped that side.
And then the beetles get smashed against this vertical board, and then they fall into these collection bags.
And then they're basically at the bottom.
Then they're...
And then I go and put them on a heap, and then I kill them.
And then you can, like this, there's a cylinder on the machine, where you can tilt the whole machine to empty these collection bags into a bigger bag.
Yes.
And then we have a selection process where the beneficial insects can fly out, and the Colorado, because it's kind of sluggy, it's staying in the bag. And so then we drown it. We just put water, we put soap, and we drown it.
Can't we give it to the vegans to eat?
Because they're poisonous. Unfortunately, they're poisonous. Yeah.
Oh,
and
damn it.
And it's like, okay, if you spray pesticides, you're anyways killing everything. At least we do not kill the beneficial insects.
So the beneficial insects, they basically fly out again.
Yeah.
And they were just slapped a bit around, and then they basically go back to the field and so forth. And then it's just the Colorado beetle at the end of the day that stays here.
I mean, like some insects fly out, some crawl out. Think about spiders, some jump out, grasshoppers. They can all go out of these big collection bag again, but the Colorado beetle is stuck in there.
So that gets stuck.
Yeah.
That is really, really interesting.
But
and then
I have on the screen. I can show you. Wait a second.
Yeah, show me there what it looks like.
You've got here. Them all inside the collection bag, the smaller ones. And then you tilt the whole machine and you empty the beetles into this larger collection bag. And there the selection process is starting, that the beneficial insects can fly and crawl out. And so we wait an hour, half an hour, and then we put water and soap in there. So then we drown them.
So with water and soap you sort them out, and there you go.
So first of all, you have this huge pile of everything.
Yeah.
You're waiting until everything beneficial comes out, and then you're drowning them. Oh, I'm going too fast. You're drowning them here. You put the soap, you break the surface tension, and then the beetles cannot breathe anymore. And it's done in a minute already. And you can compost the beetles. You cannot eat them. You can think about biogas. You can think about making even another pesticide, which is like a bit erroneous. But you cannot eat them, unfortunately. Sorry, vegans.
Have you had any other applications, or let's ask you first, how long has this thing been on the market?
This is the third year, actually.
Okay, so third year, and so this is let's call it the first application. But should farmers be interested in, if they can see, but you know what, this thing will work for some other application, they're free to contact you guys.
Yeah, and we're already in contact with other institutes that are developing other applications with the same machine. But we cannot, unfortunately, talk about it yet. But there's more possibilities, and if you see any possibility, please contact us, because I think there's a lot is possible.
So, and your company, your field workers, that's the company's name, eh? So, and this thing is called Slapperbug.
Colorado Beetle Catcher, but slapper bug would be a nice one.
Yeah, that will actually work. Slapper bug, you can, and then it basically works for everything. Ruben, thank you very much and congratulations. This is a really, really interesting machine.
Nice that you stopped by.
Thank you. Fieldworks, Colorado Beetle Catcher, or slapper bug. Yeah, slap it around a little bit. And yeah, then if you've got a problem like this, I don't even know where it can work. Maybe you can get bollworms or something also caught with that thing, reduces the pesticide pressure on your farm. And also if you're organic, this is maybe the way to go. So yeah, we'll put a link in the description here on the bottom or the top, depending on where you're watching it. And yeah, then you can make sure to get in contact with him. Make sure to talk to Ruben. This is it from Farm Space. Also remember to go and download our app, everything there. Till next time, cheers.